welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be doing a speed build for this tiny home in Adopt Me. I'm going to be making like a Mammal Squad hangout area. So let's get started. Alright, so over here I decided to make like a green screen area where we can film our GFXs and make our thumbnails. I debated on making the floor color green to make like the whole area green screen, but I just chose white. I also added a few lights, so even when it's nighttime like now, I could make a GFX and have it be very bright and shiny. And now I'm done with my first room, which is the green screen room. Over here, I decided to make like a little kitchen area just in case our pets got hungry or something. Even though I never actually ended up adding food, it turned into just like a little space filler. Now, I was just going through trying to choose a wallpaper. Some of my options were not very good at all, but I did end up just keeping the white at the end. And over here, I struggled to choose a color again, and I just ended up with a nice little beige color, which I ended up putting throughout my builds. here, I decided to add huge mirrors to be like huge windows because I really just like the look of that. But I ran out of money, so I just deleted the green screen door. When it turned daytime, I just thought it was way too bright, so I started adding a little bit more to that beige around because I just thought it was way too bright. It took me a while to find out what I wanted to go above the chairs because it just looked so empty, but I ended up deciding that I was gonna wait till I had more money and I would put like a Mama Squad sign right above it. I figured this video was already getting a little too long, so I just painted everything white and I'm gonna finish it in part 2. If you made it to the end, thank you so very much. And yeah, bye. I will see you all next time.